Our factory has more than 15 years of experience in edible oil packing machinery industry with mature and excellent techniques. Let's take a look at how automatic production line works. Bottles clamping and conveying. Labeling. Coating. Filling. Having. Bottle mouth labeling. Shrink sleeve labeling. Inserting bottle handle rings. Pressing bottle handle rings. LED light inspection. Carton unboxing. Robot packing. Weighing and removing defective products. Carton sealing. All can be customized as per your request. Welcome to our factory.